Ready?
Pleasant morning, everyone. Welcome to the Sunday's game, match number 14 of One Champion Tournament, season number 9. We have here on my right Zahid Khan, who's captaining Lightning Hawks, and to his right, we've got Kevin, the skipper of Kevin 11, and we've got pitch here as well. You can see here, it looks a little moist on regions and due little unusual from previous weekends what we have seen because the sun's out. It is a little gloomy day what you can see here. Unlikely the usual previous weekends got. Let's see what the skippers got in the back to call out for the toss here. Zahid Khan's got the coin, he'll be spinning and Kevin shall give the call. Heads is the call. And it is heads.
Okay, we're gonna bat first.
Streak of winning toss again. Previously, Kevin 11 has won the toss as well. So you've elected to bat first again. So I hope you seek forward to keep the momentum alive on your first game. You have won it brilliantly. So what changes in the team on this?
See, today we got Blessy and Narendra and Pika in place of Ram Patil, Giri and all. And coming to the movement, yes, we will definitely try to keep the momentum going. And today it's kind of a special day for us because we are playing with the team that we formed 3 years before. So these are the boys like this Narendra and Blessy who will travel all the way from Ongole every Saturday night. They catch up the bus up there and they come just to play the match. So yeah, I see that today they'll definitely gonna do something really special. And yeah, that's it. We'll see how it goes.
Sticking to your core group, hope they spell the magic for you.
No, we'll definitely see. Nothing like it. Honestly, there is no such game plan and all. We will definitely have the fun for next 3 hours. We'll definitely try to give the best what we have to the opponents, and we'll see how it goes from there.
Any specific reason to choose out to bat? Because it's been the tradition being carried forward along. Because here we see that everyone comes out and elects to bat first in majority.
See, it's simple for me. If you ask me, like it's a T20 format. We start with the batting when you have a good batting lineup. So there is a bright chances that you can put a big number on the board. So then you can. It's easily that gives your boys when who are the bowling unit, they can freely bowl. So that's the only thing is what if you ask me.
So I'll allow you to get to your dugout first and plan some strategy. And with some time, I'll have a chat with Zahid Khan, who's captaining Lightning Horse as well. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you for your time. So you've lost the toss, unfortunately. But so if you would have won the toss, what your opinion would have been on the toss?
Yeah, we were also looking for the bat first. Actually, we have played 2 games and we have lost the 2 games also. The reason behind that is our team was not available here. After a long time, a gap of 1 year, we have arranged our team again, and we are having some new good players in our team. In this match, we are having some changes also. We are having 2 new batsmen in our team after losing 2 matches. Actually, we played a tournament, One Champion Tournament before also, but at that time we went at the Gold Cup. Now we are looking for 3 matches. We are looking for a good team and we'll give our best.
Definitely. The 2 matches, like you've told, I hope it doesn't haunt you, and the lockdown's been very harsh on everyone, your teams.
But also that came very close, very close. That was the very close matches. Actually, we have to chase that matches, but unfortunately the against team has done better than us. The results gone to them.
So would you have batted first or bowled first if you had won the toss?
We were looking to bat first. After that we want to defend the team, but toss it doesn't go to our choice. It goes to another team. It went to another team. They have decided to bat first. We are also having some strategy. We'll try to bowl our best and we'll try to give our best.
Definitely, like you told, 2 changes in your team.
Yeah.
Right?
We are having 2 changes. One change is Nusrat and one change is Naveed. They 2 are batsmen.
Thank you for your time. I wish you all the very luck. So this is the news from the center, guys. Match number 14 coming up all the way. The viewers who are watching us from the live. Kevin 11 has won the toss and elected to bat first. Live action. Stay tuned. Thank you.
On the pads, a bail straight away and is given. What a start for Lightning Horse this is going to be. Looped up. He's taken it. And it's gone. Bye bye. High, high. High for the ball, mate. And beautifully taken it. Just guided the ball. The ball's gliding to the boundary. He didn't. He takes on again. He takes on. Fielder will need to chase it, but he'll not. It's definitely gone. And he takes the sky route. It's humongous. It's just launched it out of the park. He's dispatched it out of his bat. Takes on again. It's sweet. Bye bye. See you later, Mr. Alligator. Takes on again. Straight. He's taken it. Whack. Just down on one knee. The conventional things. And he's taken on. The fielder will do chasing, but can't chase the ball. I will collect the ball. Comes down again. It's very straight and no chance for the fielder to get there. Save your legs for shots like that. Comes down again. Whacks it. Fielder standing. And he'll be standing. And we'll just see the ball sailing over his head. 50 comes up for an Asian style. Takes on. Has taken the sky route. Flight. Takes it on again. Everyone will just see it sail over the head. Whacks it. And it's gone past him. He tried to. Takes on again. It's majestic. It's very majestic and regal.
Whoa, great shot played by batsman and it's chances. And it's gone over the park. It's 6.
And it's a 6. It's gone out of the park. It's taken. It's taken again. It's gone to the other orbit. It's gone sky high. Anyone who's skydiving can. Tickled it fine. Tickled it very fine. It's gone to the boundary. He just guided the ball with right now with 223. Again, it's found the gap. Very well played. Fielder needs chasing and he'll chase it. And it's gone to the boundary again. He's taken it. And finally he's taken. He's redeemed himself. Francis was not an easy catch as the previous. He's taken. Smacked it. Shiva's not wasting any time. Takes on, and he brings his 100 up. Take a bow to your innings. Take a bow to your innings. Is he going to? It's 100. He's taken again. He's got the license now. He's bought his 100 up. Now he's not going to stop. Consecutive boundary. Whack! It's way high. It's way high than the fielder's height. Flick of the wrist and gentle flick. What easy he's making the shots to look like, but the shot takes on and gone to the fence with one bounce, not wasting any time. Takes on, strong wrists and 4. He's running too fast. Is it in the gap? Yes, it is in the gap. Hello. Yeah. Again a boundary. Last ball of the over. Comes down, takes it. Has anybody got in? Nobody's got in, but the ball's gone to boundary for 4. Takes on and has found the gap again. They are takes on again. It's launched. Bye-bye. Bring the new. In the block hole is dispatched. Wheresoever you bowl. And it's belt. Takes on. Is the biggest 6. It's gone looped. It was just 6. Takes on again. The ball's skied up. Keeper's coming in. And masterclass innings comes to an end. Finally, he'll be. He is. I'm just lost with the batting. And he's bowled. He's bowled. The captain's not settling. And the new man's in. And nothing changes. Let it be anyone. They are practicing.
Outside edge. And misses. And it's bold.
He's taken on. And has he found the gap? Yes, he has found the gap. Beautiful shot. Played it on the top. Lovely. He opened his face of the bat and he's gone. The ball's running to the fence. 2 fielders running, but the ball's quick. It'll go to the fence and he's collecting. He's taken, slashed it well. What a stylish shot. He's played it on the extra covers region. Comes down the track. Has he picked the gap? Fielder running. He'll just be running to the boundary to get the ball from boundary. It's coming down again. The ball's beaten everyone up. And it's going past second. Takes down, coming down the track. Is it in the gap? And yes, it is the gap. On goes back to the boundary. Quick, very quick. The ball beats everyone. Is very quick. Comes down again. He's taken on. The fielder's running in. And he's way too ahead of the ball. He's taken. Has he taken the flag for it? Slashed it. He slashed it well. Well played shot. And it's taken. Very straight as an arrow. Very good shot. He digged it out. Whacks it. And it's gone in the orbit. Launched into the other satellite. The satellite can get. It takes on. It's gone up in the sky. Is he coming under the ball? Yes, he is. Just few inches away from the. And he collects for Salman, who's the lone warrior. Comes down the track for spinner. And has he got the distance? And not the distance what he wanted. Not likely the runs he would seek for. Sky high. Anyone, no one but from the pavilion. And is collected at the boundary. Looked up again, down the track, and he's been given out. No two views. Swept. Bhaiya, Anjal Bhaiya.
Shot, the ball is in the air. The fielder comes around and he drops the catch. And it's a boundary. The batsman finds the gap. Hits to the long on. Ready.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, gathered here for the post-match presentation ceremony of match number 14, played between Lightning Hawks versus Kevin 11, where I'd like to take you down to through the quick summary. Kevin 11 winning the toss, having the Lightning Hawks to field first. They've scored the whooping target of 268 for them to be chased down in just 4 wickets, wherein Lightning Hawks just managed to chase 153 runs on the fall of 6 wickets, and Kevin 11 had the winning victory, last taste to the fruit, winning with 114 runs, whooping run chase, and the man of the match is Anish Reddy. So let's go. Before going on to the captains, we'd like to thank our sponsors who sponsored the season number 9, that is Hell Rockers, R11, RR Stones, MSR Timber Services, and Foursquare Sports. So let's go to the captain, Zahid Khan, who's standing on my left. Let's go ahead. Hard day, tough luck for you, well fought battle. Unfortunate, one team has to lose and the other team wins, definitely. What do you think, and you would like to unchange from the game?
We have played a cricket, but the against team has played better than us. And we all know that catches been matches. Many catches have been dropped from our team. That should be improved from our team. But great batting by what's his name? Anish Reddy, who has batted very beautifully, and he has taken the innings by single-handed and scored 100 and change runs, 130 runs. So congratulations to the team. And we'll try our best in our upcoming matches.
Anything you'd like to change from today's strategy? Because a lot of learning for you, as you told, that you've come back in the ground after 1 year, as everyone has after to go with long training. So anything, because you've got still 2 games, and let's hope that NRR thing comes into your favor if you have a good total after this defeat. Anything you'd like to say to your team? How would you like to gather your team up and let them be composed?
Yeah, from next match I'll look for the bowlers. Some bowlers are there. They are unfit, but I'll try to make sure they'll come back in our next 2 matches and try our best. But our team should give our 100% in the field. By that we can chase the score of 170, 180 easily. But we have given so many runs on board play. We'll work on that teamwork.
And I'd like to call the captain of Kevin 11 here to join us. It's stepping up. I'll give it to the captain Zahid Khan, who will shortly present it to Anish Reddy. So let's go with the captain here of Kevin 11, Indrajit. Firstly, whooping victory, and you've come down on Kevin, who was with us on the toss. Thank you for joining us. What do you think, and what learning have you taken up with this game?
Remember, I already told you we were going to score 250. So yeah, 250 as promised.
And yeah, you delivered it, and two wins in a game, definitely. And how would you take it, and what's in us for us in the upcoming games?
I can promise you another 250 or so. We'll see how it goes. Actually, 2 or 3 our main batsmen are missing today. Even if they had to play with 302, we'll see.
It's a strong statement made by the captain. And without wasting the time, let's call the show stealer, who's been in the limelight for every run he scored. Anish Reddy, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. He's the man. Don't go with a gentle smile and handsome face. He's the man who stepped down and scored 141 runs in just 61 balls. Can you believe that? It was unbelievable, and until and unless you could have witnessed it online or being on the ground. He definitely deserves the praises and the Lord is getting it right now. So before you take your leave, I'd like to call you here to have a word with us. Did you hear a story about Midas? Like I was saying in my commentary, you were the Midas to everything. Every stroke you made was a masterclass stroke.
Thank you so much. It really felt nice playing an innings of this sort. So in the initial stages of my tough judging the ball off the pitch. But later so rest everything luck favoring me. I just
Luck, it's your hard work and the masterclass. I think you've been just modest on the note. Your team from the pavilion was just all with you. All along the shots, they were on their feet cheering for you, and still they are along with you, just with little nicknames.
It's always a pleasure playing with Kevin Level. They've always been supporting to me, and I've started off playing my season with them, and I hope I'll just make sure I can put in my best to them. It's a great team. We have composure of young people with experience, so playing with the team has this composure, I'll get to learn a lot in my later stages as well.
So this was it from the man of the match. Thank you for giving us your time. So like to call it a wrap from match number 14. Thank you for joining us. This was the time where the man of the match took the field with a wild win and he created havoc. Thank you for joining with us. See you in the match number 15.